kids, I am coloring the stalk of mango brown color. Now I am coloring the leaf of mango with green color. Now I am coloring the mango with yellow color. Hello kids, my name is Mango and I am the king of fruits. I have big heart seeds inside. My colors are red, yellow, orange, and green. I am rich in vitamin C. Mango tastes are good. Some mangoes are sweet and some mangoes are sour. I like to eat mangoes with sticky rice. Sometimes I eat mango before they ripe. I like I like mango so much. Mango is a very sweet, fluffy, juicy and refreshing fruit. It is national fruit of Pakistan. It grows in the summer season in various parts of Pakistan. Mango juice is the world favorite juice.